The macroeconomic calendar for Tuesday and Wednesday includes speeches by numerous officials of leading central banks, including ECB President Christine Lagarde and Fed Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell. Additionally, the minutes of the June FOMC meeting will be released on a Wednesday. However, markets are now focused on the events in France and are digesting the results of the first round of elections. The situation is not as bad as it could have been. The far-right party National Rally led the vote, but less than some polls had predicted. Thus, the results of the second round, scheduled for July 7, could still bring a parliamentary majority to the far-right wing, and this could be avoided if centrist and left-wing parties manage to unite and sway some of the electorate to their side. Judging by the strengthening euro, the currency market seems to expect this outcome. Meanwhile, the US dollar is falling for the third consecutive session. Its decline began on Friday after reports unveiled slackening inflation growth in the United States. Now, let us figure out what macroeconomic reports could affect the market situation on a Tuesday and a Wednesday. You are watching Traders Calendar. The Eurozone inflation data will be the main report on Tuesday. The annual rate is expected to continue decreasing, with a forecast at 2.5%. May's unexpected rise to 2.6% followed 2 months of 2.4%, prompting the ECB to upwardly revise its inflation outlook. Any deviation from a 2.5% will boost the euro's volatility. Meanwhile, higher figures could push up the single currency, and this day will also see the release of the first labor market report from the United States. This will be job openings data for April. Analysts expect a drop to 7.9 million from 8.059 million. The previous figure indicated the lowest level since February 2021. A further decline would signal a cooling US labor market, which may cause a drop in the US dollar. On Wednesday, July 3, traders will focus on business activity reports in major economies. Such data also reflects the state of the manufacturing and the services sectors. This time, let us look at the composite indexes combining both sectors. In Australia, economists foresee a decline to 50.6 points. If the predictions come true, the Australian dollar is likely to drop. Forecasts for the Taishin China Composite Index are not optimistic either. Although the indicator is still in expansion territory above 50 points, forecasts suggest a decrease to 53.6 points in June, and this would further weaken the struggling Chinese yuan against the US dollar. Japan's business activity index is expected to fall below its previous 52.6 points, potentially testing the 50-point threshold. Against this backdrop, the already weak Japanese yen may slide even deeper. The Eurozone's composite PMI is expected to stay at 50.8 points. The services sector mainly boosted the index, compensating for the manufacturing slowdown to a 6-month low. However, both sectors faced cost inflation in May for the first time in 16 months. The June report might also have its challenges, which may increase the euro's volatility. On the same day, the US will release a similar report. Analysts suppose that the indicator will climb to 54.6 points from 54.5 points. The US dollar may benefit from these figures, and notably other events may also influence the greenback. For more details, stay tuned to our news updates. We will monitor the market reaction to the above-mentioned reports. Subscribe to our channel and follow changes in market sentiment with us. Any comments, questions and offers are welcomed. We wish you profitable trading and see you soon!